Hi, my name's Mimi, and this is my Almost Human Season 1, Episode 9, Unbound Reaction. The Illumicorp was the company that made Dorian and the robots of his kind. I should have written down the exact type, and it's 9 episodes, so I should actually know, but they're the more human versions that react better to people versus the DMX, I believe that's the right one. The ones that don't blink, the ones that just kind of stare blankly and just do as they're told, the more computer-like ones. So yeah, we had Dr. Vaughn is the man that made Dorian's type of robot thing. He's angry. He's very, very angry because bad things happen. Government. When it gets after this whole mishap with Danica, they shut down his entire practice, and that's the rogue crazy thing that they've been talking about in the openers, and how Dorian is it's like he's one of the rogue models, but he's not. He's a good one. You have a visitor. Great, I love visitors. It opened up. Sorry, I'm jumping around a lot, but this episode opened up with Kennex and Dorian giving kids tours, and then Kennex being Kennex showed a bloody part of a body. A kid puked and they left. This is focusing on Danica and killing people, and they didn't know what the fuck was going on. What the fuck, she's back. Her head was cut off, and then she got put back on her body. This was fun. And Dr. Vaughn betrayed all of them when he took out these soul modification things from Rudy. So, Vaughn betrayed everyone. Excitement. Yeah. Next episode is, well, Monday.